Hello guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about a company or a project called Shuttle Rent, okay? And of course we're going to make a scam check. Do I think that this project is legit or is it just another scam? So first of all, let me show you. Basically, it's a car rental company and you can participate in their revenue. That's basically what they say. First of all, I have to say, what's really positive is I like the design of the homepage. It looks pretty cool, I would say. So basically you set up your profile and then you pick a car. Let me show you guys. The company says this guy should be the CEO. I mean, it looks pretty legit to this point, but I will show you some facts that are somehow strange. Let me show you guys. So first of all, you can see here they are in like 5 countries or so, and here you can see the number of cars that they should have there. And you can see, for example, you can see the company documents here. For example, that they have the company set up there, as you can see here, but there's no company document for the USA. So how can you rent out cars in the USA without having a company there? That's first of all, the first thing that I find somehow strange. And let me show you guys, for example, if you, for example, would finance a car in the USA right now, the Bank of America would want you to pay about a new car 5.89%. Okay, let me show you now what's somewhat strange. Okay, and I'm gonna do this calculation that I can show you. We go to finance here, yeah. Finance, it's a finance section, and then we pick the country and the car. Okay, so we pick the USA, and they don't have a company there, but they say they have cars there, so somewhat strange. Los Angeles, and then they say let's make the calculation with the G63. Okay, so this means you would have to invest $2,400 and you would get a weekday profit of $93.6 and on the weekends $36. You can see here you can switch between Boston and Los Angeles, and here the countries. But so let's see, guys. First of all, the car companies there rent out the cars G63 for, let's say, this one for $749 and this one for $750. Okay, and to buy such a car is without any extras $179,000 plus some extras, let's say $200,000. Okay, so you can lease this car, let's say, if you have it for $200,000 and not even 6% loan. The interest rate means you would have to pay interest rates of about less than $12,000 per year. Okay, less than 12,000. Keep this in mind, guys. So if you calculate now, let's say here, calculate profit. Okay, then what comes up then? We have to pick okay, the country again, USA. Then we go to Los Angeles. Okay, here we pick this car, our car, and it's always for 60 days. Okay, so you deposit $2,400 and after 60 days you will have 4,636.80. That means you make, I calculated this, you make 93% profit. Okay, but let's keep this in mind, guys. If you could finance a car from the bank, yeah, and you pay 6% interest per year, why would you give anyone 93% in 60 days? Does this make any sense to you? And if you already have a business that's running and you make a lot of money, why would you not just keep running your business? Or if you want to buy a new car, you just finance it with 6% per year and not pay anyone 93% in just 60 days. Okay, this doesn't make sense. I mean, of course there are some nice people out there, but nobody is gonna say, oh, you know, I'll already make so much profit and I'm just gonna give it out to some people. And also, why the calculation doesn't work, let's say 10 people would buy this now, yeah, and then calculate the interest rate. I mean, it's not, basically 50 people could buy this, and what happens then? How can they make profit? I mean, it's impossible. Okay, it's just impossible. So in my opinion, yeah, always do your own research, but in my opinion, it's just another. They could also say, okay, we have cows and you can participate in the cow and we will sell the milk and you get, based on the number of cows you buy, yeah, you get the profit. Yeah, let's say 2% per day or 3% per day, whatever they offer here. Or we rent out helicopters or anything like this. So to me, this is very suspicious. Okay, I mean, once again, you can finance a car for 5.89% interest rate per year and you would pay then someone 93% in just 60 days. This doesn't make sense. I mean, calculate this interest rate based on a year, or let's say more people want to do this. Yeah. What's also interesting, they are here on Trustpilot. They have actually pretty good reviews here, but I don't know if these are all legit reviews. I mean, you can check it out. To me, the major point here, yeah, I mean, is the company. Let's say you have a rental company with 10 cars. Why would you rent out and you make good business? Would you suddenly say, you know, I make so much profit, so I want other people to also make a lot of profit, and I'm gonna share my profit with 100 other people or 20 or so. I mean, nobody really is like these guys, yeah. And it's also not would not make sense. Why would you pay someone? I mean, if you would say, okay, a little bit of the profit, but if I have a company that's making a lot of profit, everyone would just be happy to keep the profit, yeah. And you would not offer anyone more than 90% profit, yeah, more than 90% profit in just 60 days. So this doesn't seem really legit to me, guys, okay? So I mean, always do your own research before you invest your own money, but this doesn't make really sense to me, and I would be, let's say, cautious, yeah. I personally would not invest in this because I think somehow that they pay, let's say if it works for you now, if you invest now, yeah, you can get the withdrawals every day, but your initial is, so to say, in the is invested, okay? So after 60 days, you should be able to get all of this back. But I have some kind of idea that I think it's some kind of Ponzi scheme. That means, for example, if you invest now and new people come in, okay, your rewards, your profit will be paid with the deposits of the new people, yeah? And once new people stop coming in, you will not get any profit or rewards anymore, okay? That's what I think about this. And anyway, if there's a lot of profit, or let's say for the company, for this Shuttle Rent, yeah, let's say there's a lot of people deposited, they can simply shut down and take the money and go, yeah. I mean, I tried to Google this guy, you really don't find any information about this guy, the CEO, just from their own page. And yeah, to me, this is, I would say, a well-designed, nice-looking Ponzi scheme, but I would definitely not invest in it, okay? So guys, yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.